Okay, so can everyone see it? Okay, so this is the final demonstration for my project, the Echo Whale. This version features a collection of whale sounds and also animals information. Now, this is the welcome page for the first-time users. Now let's proceed to the selection part. We can select the location where we want to watch the whales. For example, if you don't want to whale watch in your current place like Boston, you can just click the pink button here. The Boston is just an example of where I'm now. So if you do not want to select, you can select all the other places where whale watching is available. Now let's just return and do yes. Okay, that's great. We are arriving at the homepage for our EchoWhale project. We have four features. The first feature is the sounds that tells users to discover how whales speak. The second feature is about checking what whales, especially the celebrity whales we have in Boston. For example, like the salt. The second is a encyclopedia of the sea animals. The fourth one is a spot selection. It has two features. Firstly, we can check where whales are spotted. Also, we can check about the whale watching agencies. So let's first go to the sounds. The sounds ripples is a Spotify version of the whale sounds. We can see that the sounds here are categorized into different whales. And there's also a search bar. Like t- this mimics the user's typing. Now we can check what sounds the humpback whales have. As we can see, there are three different sounds just demonstrated in this Figma app. For each app, we show a play button, a like button that can add the song to your collection, also a download button. This download button is significant because many users want these whale apps to be downloaded so that they can play offline or even set them as their alarms. So this heart button here will show your collection. Now let's return and then go to the second feature called spots. So the red button here suggests that when users should watch their whales. And we can see that there are three main agencies demonstrated here. Now go to the NU Aquarium to have a closer look. This is the place where they watch the whales, and then we'll have the ratings and the available fishes. For the comments, you can check a recent user comment, like if this user has watched a significant whale. Then we can go to the checked features button and then go to the Google Map, which will open a link, and then go to the official website to book their book tickets. If we click the check featured whales, we can see that there's a salt whale that these app mostly feature. And there's another part that deserves attention. It's called the map mode. When users are on their boats, they may need to check the where whales are spotted recently. So then they can click this map mode. In this map mode, the red button is the current location. The purple line suggests that where this boat is going. It is collected from the official website of the NE, like of the whale watching agency. We can see that there are three main spottings nearby. This is the pitcher whale, the salt that is spotted by Sevenport Agency, and also this salt spotted by the New England Aquarium. If we click this one, we will then be directed to the salts. And also, so now let's go to the third part. The third part features a collection of the whales in the Stellargan Reservation, which is the main place where Bostoners go to watch the whales. For this search button, you can type in the date that you want to check. For example, like tomorrow. And this red button will also change. We have three whales here, the salt, the pitcher, and the dolphin. So let's have a closer look at the salt. The salt features a galaxy where you can select different pictures and then a self-introduction. Especially will include the method that users can use to check the whether to spot the whale and recognize it. Also, there's a purple button that suggests the recent news. We can click here. And also, we can click it here. You can see that this will be clicking here will see a recent news of salt, like it has a new calf. And then we can spot it on the map. This map shows where salt traced recently. The purple is its current location. And then this is where it has been spotted recently. So now we can return. Okay, so the last part is about the animal. For the animal, we can see that there is a collection of different animals. And also we have a search button. A search button will only suggest the kind of animals you are looking for. Let's have a closer look at the sea turtles. As you can see, the sea turtles will have a brief introduction, and then in order to cater to many of the kids, we have a self-introduction about their special abilities. Like you can see that the turtles can sense the Earth's magnetic field to navigate through the long distance water. And the second part will be about opening a wiki. And then the third part, we will introduce a similar animal that you can use to distinguish them. So this is a demonstration for my final project. Hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you.